Made by Google wanted to send me out a gift, so we're gonna see what they sent me. I don't know what it is, so we're doing this together. Camera. I didn't have to make a video, but hey, I wanted to. Since I have a YouTube channel, I might as well make a video and post it on YouTube. And I'm going to show you somewhere in the video what led to me getting a gift. I posted a photo on Twitter, and they were like, we want to send you out a gift. So here I am. So let's see what they sent me over. Probably some cool little swag stuff. So I like how that is very nice and colorful. First it says, to Kia Too Technical, we love having you on #teampixel. Definitely keep following your tech dreams. Your friends at Made by Google, and it says gift from Google. So this is really cool. This is really cool. A little card. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, so first, what I see are some Pixel buds, Pixel USB-C buds, which is very nice of them to send that over. These are older, but these are actually good to have when you don't want to use wireless, when you don't want to use wires. So I'll probably do an unboxing of this separate. So they sent me that over. Then I also get some kind of thing that says Google. It's a little pouch. I can put some little tech items in here probably, or pencils or pens. That is a nice touch. It's nice. They also sent me out, this says teampixel. I don't know how well you can see that, but this does say teampixel. Then got something else here. We got ourselves some Google Pixel holsters. Welcome to Helpful Home Nest. So we got us some holsters. I believe these are for your cups. So that's awesome. We got a Google Nest sticker. Very cool. And we have a Google backpack. A backpack that just says Google. That is very nice of them to send me over a little gift.